This is Matt Kuntz. I'm the executive director of NAMI Montana. And one of the things that we use really consistently is Google Maps. We just use it over and over to help people find care, to help people find different kinds of treatment, to help people find attorneys, you name it. So, as part of that, we like to do a little series on how to use Google Maps for different things. So, this time I'm going to look for mental health therapist in Great Falls, Montana. So just went straight to Google Maps, typed in mental health therapist in Great Falls, Montana. And see what we have here. Green Apple Counseling comes up with 3.4 rating out of 5 reviews. Those reviews are a lot of what makes Google Maps so valuable for us. I think it's important to realize that, yeah, you might get some fake ones, you might get some extra angry people or extra happy people, but all in all, we think it's worth it. Looking at this, you can see that there are therapists that pop up all over Great Falls on this. Mountain Therapy, Rocky Mountain Front Counseling, Renew Wellness Center, this Open Door Wellness Center, 4.8 rating with 26 reviews. That's really impressive. So yeah, you just go through here and look at all the different folks and find someone that you like. Of course, you're still going to have to go back and forth on seeing if they take your insurance and other things like that. One of the things that we might want to try is, how about mental health Medicaid in Great Falls? And you'll see that the Center for Mental Health comes right up there. Also, Benefits Behavioral Health, We Care Behavioral Health, Many Rivers. So lots of different options there and different ways that you can use it. You can get more and more specific, letting it know what you're looking for. So here's an example for Great Falls, Montana, and how to find mental health resources on Google Maps. Thank you.